Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia and today we're doing a review on Yummy's extension. This is the first time I've actually spent close to $700 on some hair. This is supposed to be some raw hair. I think the hair I have now is some virgin hair from Wiggins Hair. And so I got 3 bundles of 20-inch, and here is the 20-inch bundle. It smells really good. Like, you can tell they definitely washed it. And I'm impressed so far, but I can't wait to dye this hair, which I'm gonna dye it black, jet black, and make a wig. So I have 3 bundles. I bought these 3 bundles separate from the closure. And so yeah, it came in this really cute satin bag. I love it because I always reuse these bags. But just initially, here is one of the bundles. I don't really see any shedding, but the luster is just very nice. I want to say I got the Elegance hair. I'll put it in the description bar which specific hair this was, but it's not the Lao. I don't think it's the Lao. But yes, so got this. And the frontal, which is just a 5x5. This is a 13x4, but I just wanted to switch it up and just do that because most of the time I'm wearing my hair in the middle part and the side part, which I can still achieve with this. And I'm really kind of over trying to melt the lace and do all that work from here to here, and messing with my edges and all of that. So just to relieve myself from that stress and to not put more stress on my edges, I'm gonna try to go this route. So back to the basics. But here it is, a little closer. It's a 16-inch free part, and it's a transparent lace. So they don't do frontals more than 16 inches, but this should still work. I've seen a lot of other girls on YouTube making that happen, so I don't really think there'll be any issues here. And I got a face mask, which was cute. Unstoppable. So I will be wearing this because it's cute. And a card. Thank you from Yummy Extensions. And I think I do have something else that tells you how to take care of the hair. Like, I guess most people do the co-wash and try not to strip the hair with, a really stripping shampoo. And I got some chapstick. Cute. So this is just my initial unboxing. Like I said, I spent about $700 on everything all together. The shipping was very fast. And you have to sign for the package, which is good because it's just more secure that way. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I received thus far. So now I have to make a wig, and I will do another upload of the wig and how the hair looks on me. So I hope you enjoyed this initial review. So I was able to install this hair on Monday. Today is Saturday. So I've had this hair on for about a week now. And I did go through a couple different stages in trying to prepare this hair. So at first, when I got the hair, I dyed it jet black with a permanent color. And I'm not really sure if I was supposed to do that with this hair. And I didn't know if it was gonna mess up the quality because it's raw, but I mean, we dye virgin hair. So I'm like, okay, I don't know, but Yummy hair is kind of, the maintenance is a little different. So I had to learn a little lesson. So I washed the hair, I bleached the knots, I dyed the hair. And when I dyed the hair, I usually when I dye hair, I usually use a neutralizing shampoo to kind of stop the processing time. And I think that's where I messed up, because the hair, like the way it felt after, the way it felt afterwards was like real weird, like the way it felt. And I was like, damn. So like I did a deep conditioning, but I didn't have the whole like Tresemme line. And after doing some more research, that's what I found out, is you want to co-wash the hair with Tresemme. And I didn't have that, so I'm like, okay. So I'm thinking I could make it work. I'm like, I'm gonna try to get this shampoo out as much as I can and do the deep condition. So I did that, and then I curled the hair, and I'll insert some pictures. And it was okay. Like, I was so thirsty to wear the hair, so I was like, and I was on vacation, so I was like, nah, I'm gonna make it work. And after a while, I was like, it started to get like real puffy in the back, and it was just like getting really big. And I was like, nah, I don't think this is the way this is supposed to go. So this is when I then watched a couple more YouTube videos on the people that had yummy hair and found out about the Tresemme. So yesterday I went to Target and I got the Tresemme conditioner, and I co-washed it. So I finally just did the co-wash with the conditioner, and I left the conditioner off like a half an hour because I was like, ooh, this hair is like dry, like I need this. And let me tell you, soon as I rinse that hair out and comb the hair out and let the hair air dry overnight, and this morning when I woke up, oh my God, the hair was beautiful. It was finally like, I got a little grease on this part because I was doing the flat iron thing. The hot comb. So this part is a little bit greasier, but back here, I was like, yes, I finally did it. So after that, I blow dried the hair a little bit. I put some Chi on there and some like anti-frizz serum, and then blow dried it. Then I curled it so I could do the flexi rods, and then I did the flexi rods. So the flexi rods was like, it was like a lot of curls, and I was like, I don't really want like a bunch because I'm getting ready to go out. I'm like, I don't really want a bunch of curls. So I went back through with the blow dryer, and the curls kind of relaxed a little bit more the way I kind of like it. So I'll show you, it's moving, stiff wear. So now I'm happy with the hair. So I learned my lesson. That Tresemme definitely worked wonders, and I feel like it's finally looking the way it's supposed to look and feeling, you see, it's just sliding through like. So I'm happy right now. I'm so happy I kind of finally did what I had to do to get this hair back right. So right now I would give Yummy like a 4 or 5. Like, I'm gonna still wear the hair and probably come back with another review later on, a couple months. But I'm happy. Like, I think this was probably a really, really good investment for me. I was a little nervous, especially when I messed up the hair after dyeing it. But I'm happy with it now, and I think I can, manage this hair pretty well because I know it is high maintenance because it's raw hair. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll come back in a few months with an update on this hair.